Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 30th November 2025. Title of Murli. Be truly loving and give all your burdens to the Father, and you will experience pleasure. Become liberated from laboring. Bap Dada said, since this Remembrance Day is a special day of love, the majority of children remain absorbed in that love. When they are lost in such deep affection, any form of effort feels like a source of joy and entertainment. Baba says that those who are loving always consider themselves worthy recipients of the Father's blessings, and they constantly experience themselves to be safe under His protective canopy. This love makes the impossible easily possible, problems as large as mountains feel as light as cotton, and even stones seem as soft and fluid as water. Further, Baba said, do not forget this love. When you have attained the ocean of love, then immerse yourself fully in its waves. Even though Maya may give you tests from time to time, if at that moment you recall the experience of love, then effort will transform into affection. Never fall into questions of what or why. In conclusion, Bap Dada said, this confluence age is the age of greatest joy among all ages. Therefore, remain constantly cheerful, hand over all your burdens to the Father. Forget the consciousness of I and become a trustee. Remain ever content and also keep others content, only then will you stay free from laborious effort. Let each one take this pledge, I must transform myself first. Blessing for today. May you achieve total success with the magic mantra of remembrance and become an embodiment of success. Remembrance of the Father is the magic mantra with which you can achieve any result you want. In a worldly way, in order to achieve a successful result of a task, they chant a mantra. Similarly, here, too, if you want to achieve success in anything, the method to use is the great mantra of remembrance. This magic mantra transforms everything in a second. Constantly keep it in your awareness and you will become an embodiment of constant success. Although it is not a big thing to stay in remembrance, it is by staying in constant remembrance that you will achieve total success. Slogan is, to merge all expansion into its essence in a second means to claim the final certificate. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. Just as you are easily able to take off a costume, in the same way, you must be able to take off the costume of your body just as easily, and also adopt it just as easily at a time of need. This practice is needed. If your costume is tight, you cannot take it off easily. In the same way, let the costume of your body not be tight or stuck to any sanskar. For this, remain easy in all situations. If you remain easy, all tasks will be carried out easily. The more detached you remain from your old sanskars, the more your stage will be detached, that is, you will easily become bodiless.